What is the ideal home isolation time frame?
So let me tell you, even when we were following the 17 days isolation
Hmm.
time, outside Goa, 10 days was being followed, especially in Delhi.
Yeah.
Delhi and all those areas. 10 days was already being followed for last year. It was only in Goa that we were following 17 days of
Okay.
isolation. And slowly, I think 3 weeks back or something, the
Hmm.
guidelines 10 days.
Hmm.
And if you go scientifically, 10 days is the time that the virus is viable.
Hmm.
Okay, so even when the isolation was for 17 days, we used to ask questions to our seniors like, so why 17 days when the virus is dying after 10 days? We say virus is dying after 10 days.
Hmm.
The problem here was some people were calculating their day from the day they get the report. Okay,
Hmm.
so sometimes 2 to 3 days that the report is you get the report, it is two to
Delayed,
three
correct.
days.
Yeah.
Okay, delayed report. So all this, considering this, they might have said it 10 days, sorry, 17
Hmm.
days earlier,
Hmm.
but now it is 10 days, and most of the places 10 days is followed.